Alright, so I wasn't able to do like a closeout on the video yesterday, but Spencer won. It is day 3 now. We're going to the track. Today all of us will get to drive. We have all of these tires. Hopefully we burn them all. Hopefully nobody crashes. I'll see you there. One thing I forgot to mention was yesterday my car started acting kind of weird, like on limiter. It didn't sound like how it normally sounds. So we checked some codes on it and found out something's going on with my cam positioning sensor. So right now, before I get to park, I'm going to stop by O'Reilly's. They had one in stock, and grab that, and hopefully it fixes everything. But yeah, yesterday we talked to the guys at Park. So after the competition, me, Eddie, and Isaiah were able to drive because we drove our cars down there. We just burned the tires that were on our car, but now obviously we have a bunch with us. So that was super cool of them. It's only day 3. We got day 4 left of driving, and then day 5 and day 6. This trip should be definitely, or not should be, this trip is definitely going to be one for the books. It's really cool. I want to move up here so bad. The people are cool, the drift scene's cool, the scenery's cool, the roads are like so nice. Like, look at this, look at this. There's like no trash. It's just flat. They're not all fucked up and bumpy like in California. So, I don't know. If I was gonna move anywhere, it'd probably be Oregon. This shit is definitely cool. Alright, so just left O'Reilly's, got my cam position sensor, gonna grab some breakfast, and then get to park. The scenery here is, it's like, I know I've talked about it like fucking 20 times, but it's way different than anything I'm used to. Shit's crazy, honestly. Alright, so just got to park. Look at the little puppies. Little puppies. Oh, we got 14. Oh. Look at Park. It's so cool. Man, I'm so excited, man. Looks like they're going through tech right now. Or something. I don't know. There's like hella more people here today. Look at that rig. I need that rig. When I get all fucking rich and famous one day, I want that rig. That vent over there. I took a few videos of it yesterday. This vet is the move right there. If I sold my car, I would get a vet. And here's the Z. Well, got the sensor changed and then took Spencer for a ride. And we're coming back, and I debeated. And it's still doing that weird cutout thing, so it's not the cam position sensor.
Thanks, dude. My car's good.
Mine's not. So yeah, Eddie's coming over here with a tire and a wheel right now. Luckily we're right in front of Park, but kind of sucks. Alright, so a little update. Cam position sensor did not fix anything. Went on a test drive and still lagging on the way back, debeated, so got that fixed, and then now I'm in line right now, ready to go drive. Car's still being weird, so I'm gonna do a test lap, see what happens. Yeah, I don't have my hat on because gotta put my helmet on, and it's really fucking hot, so yeah, hopefully everything works out. Hopefully we didn't do this 20-hour drive for nothing. Alright, so I just did my first lap. Car's feeling okay, it's still doing that problem, but if I blow this thing up out here, then that's why we came out. Not really why we came out here, but I'm gonna have fun no matter what. So, car's a little warm right now. I'm warming up as I'm just sitting here actually. Fuck it, I guess, right? Look how shiny my arm is from my sweat. Come on, bro, I got sweat excellence. Sweat excellence. Dude, I looked over because I was watching. I thought they were going. I was like, oh shit.